Hello and welcome to this demonstration of Open System Snap Vault for ESX. In this demo, we'll see how Ossv can be used to protect and recover entire virtual machines. We'll be looking at Protection Manager and how it can be used for policy-based management of this backup solution. Looking at the VI client, we have 3 virtual machines that we want to protect on a particular ESX server. When you first open Protection Manager, you'll see a dashboard of your environment. Now the ESX server we want to target has already been added as an Ossv host, and we'll see that listed here. So in order to get started, we'll need to create a dataset using the wizard. After we give the dataset a name, we'll be able to manually select our ESX server and expose its virtual machines. So we'll select our 3 VMs and add them to our dataset. Once we continue the wizard, the next step is to apply a protection policy to our dataset. Protection policies define how we protect the data, the schedules, and the retention levels. In this example, we're using the remote backup policy, and then we'll apply a predefined provision policy. Protection Manager will then provision a destination volume automatically. Once we complete the wizard, the baseline transfer starts, and we'll be able to monitor the progress of the job. Ossv will call for a VMware snapshot for each virtual machine, and we can see that listed in the VI client. Likewise, the snapshots will be deleted after the transfer completes. Now this is going to take a while, and we can monitor the progress while this transfer is taking place. Now as the backup completes, we can see the VMware snapshots being removed from the VI client. The baseline is now done, and the next thing we're going to show is a manual block level incremental backup. We select our data set and select Protect Now, assign a retention level, and click OK. And we can monitor this job just as we did the baseline. Once this incremental completes, and it just did, we'll take a look at recovering a VM back to the ESX server. So let's go into the VI client, power off and delete a virtual machine. So once the VM has been completely destroyed from disk, we'll go back into Protection Manager, select our data set, and choose Restore. Using the wizard, we can select the backup to restore from, select the VM that we destroyed. We're going to restore back to the original location, and now the restore job should be running, and we can monitor that as well. Now when the restore completes, VMware will register the VM and then power it on, and we'll see that in the VI client. The virtual machine is back. It's powered on. And it's ready for use.